Ranking sites within Business Analyst. If a user was to log into Site to Do Business and select the Business Analyst application, they would have the ability to add data to their map. They can add data in a number of different ways, but one of the most popular is through the Add Data tab in Import File. Here, I'm going to choose a simple Excel file that has some property information that I want to bring into my map. It's called Test Sites, Site to Do Business. I'm going to use the point locations, and I want to create those study areas based on 1 mile rings. Once I've done so, I can save the list, and that will create a layer on the map that includes all of those site locations with the 1 mile rings around them. Now in the interim, I want to show you what exactly it looks like to bring in your own file. Here, we have an Excel file with street address, city, state, and zip code. The system will take just a moment for the layer to set up, and then I can do one of a couple of different things. I can run reports based on all of these different sites. I can compare them, or I can even create what's called a suitability analysis. Now in this suitability analysis, what I want to do is create a ranking of the different sites based on population. If I select suitability analysis, I can start with my 10 sites, and I can choose from different demographic variables from the data browser, and in this case, I'm interested in looking at total population. You'll see here that once I do so, that on my map, I have the ranking of the different sites. If I wanted to see those in a table, I could see that the number one site based on my population request is going to be the site in Cincinnati, where the lowest is going to be the site that is in Mason.